Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials to simplify your scheduling. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new event type in Calendly. This is perfect for organizing your appointments and ensuring your scheduling needs are handled smoothly, whether it's a one-on-one session or a group meeting. Start by logging into your Calendly account and navigating to the event type section. This is where you manage all your appointments. Click the plus create button at the top to start a new event type. Next, choose the type of event that fits your needs, whether it's a one-on-one meeting or a group session. After selecting, you'll enter the event editor. Here, give your event a clear and descriptive name so invitees know what it's about. Assign a color to help distinguish this event on your schedule and set the duration to match the time you want for the meeting. Decide on the location. It can be a video call, phone call, or an in-person meeting. If using a video tool like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, connect it here to make everything ready for your invitees. Set your availability by specifying the days and times you're open for this event. You can also add rules like buffer times between meetings or limits on how soon someone can book. Once everything is customized to your liking, review your settings and hit create to save your new event type. And that's it. Your new Calendly event is now ready to use, making scheduling easier than ever. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Calendly tutorials.